Simplifying radicals. When we simplify radicals, we factor out any perfect squares. So to begin with, we need to remember what our perfect squares are. Square root of 4. 4 is a perfect square. Square root of 9 is 3. 9 is a perfect square. Square root of 16, 4, etc., etc., and all the way up. So these are the numbers we are looking for to see if they're factors of the radicand, the number under the radical sign. So the square root of 16, 16 is a perfect square. So to simplify this, we just write the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Number 2, simplify the square root of 28. 28 is not a perfect square, but are any of the factors of 28 a perfect square? Well, the factors of 28 are 1 times 28, 2 times 14, and 4 times 7. 4 is a perfect square, so I'm going to select the factors of 4 and 7 to simplify this radical. I'm going to rewrite the square root of 28 as the square root of 4 times the square root of 7. I'm always going to rewrite the factored form with the perfect square in front. Now I can simplify the square root of 4 times the square root of 7. The square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 7 is simplified. So the square root of 28 is 2 times the square root of 7. We always write the whole number in front of the radical. If we were to write the square root of 7 times 2, it can be confusing whether the 2 is under the radical sign. So to avoid that, we always write the number in front, and that's why we always put the perfect square in front of the other factor. Number 3, simplify the square root of 96. Well, 96 is not a perfect square. But let's see if any of the factors of 96 are. The factors of 96 are 1 times 96, 2 times 48, 3 times 32, 4 times 24, 6 times 16, and 8 times 12. 4 is a perfect square, and so is 16. So when we're selecting which pair of factors to use, we're always going to select the one with the highest perfect square. So in this case, we'll take 16 times 6. We'll always write the perfect square first, the square root of 16 times the square root of 6. So I've rewritten the square root of 96 as the square root of 16 times the square root of 6. I can simplify this further by taking the square root of 16, which is 4, and then times the square root of 6. So the square root of 96 is equal to 4 square roots of 6. Simplify the square root of 10. 10 is not a perfect square, so we need to look at the factors of 10 to determine if there's a perfect square we can factor out. The factors of 10 are 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. There are no perfect squares that are factors of 10, so the square root of 10 is in simplified form.